I saw these. And
Nike didn't charge me.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. How you doing, my guy? Nice to see you, bro.
Okay. My bad, I'm making contact right now.
You said what?
I'm making the prices.
Okay, babe. It's a good idea. Court purples. Please tell me you're not texting on the court purples, bro.
Nah, hell no.
These are not going nowhere. Got some LeBrons. Space Jam LeBron. These are nice. You had these unreleased, right?
Yeah, I had a pair. I sold that pair.
But they're released now, huh?
Yeah, they were.
Okay. More court purples.
How you been doing?
You said what?
How you been doing?
I've been good, bro. Just went to SneakerCon Denver
How was that?
and San Jose. It was good.
Yeah, that's good, bro.
It's good, bro.
That's probably yes.
Yeah, these are all DS. These are all used.
Used over here.
Okay, babe.
I just made it easier.
Okay, perfect. And then
Nike didn't charge me.
more nice. Really?
Yeah.
So you got this for free?
Go ahead up there on the same card.
Damn. So you got this one for free?
No, I kept the one that I got for free.
Oh, for a personal? Okay. That's crazy. Damn. You came up. All right.
Space Jam.
Space Jams. Perfect. You got all your prices already?
Yeah, I got everything pretty much. Dude, you just want to take a look at everything and I'll give you the pricing.
Yeah, that's good. You about to go to the sneaker event here in Vegas?
Nah, I'm out till next year, bro.
Where you going?
No, I'm not gonna be out. I'm just gonna stop selling till next year.
Why?
I gotta get some stuff right for next year.
So you're gonna stop selling after this?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna bring you another little bulk and that's it. Of DS shit. I'm gonna bring you a couple Travis 6s, Strange Loves, Mocha. Yeah. I just didn't have time to go get my DS shit. I just got my new shit.
How many shoes you got right now?
Right now, bro, to be honest, I'm out. Like dry.
After this?
Nah, after I saw you the last shit I had, bro. And these were just like right there, so I just grabbed everything.
Eat shit up.
But no, I'm gonna bring you those pairs.
Okay, bro.
And those are all DS. Cause I sold I think my last batch of 20 mochas.
Okay.
When you were in Denver. First,
You sold it for a good price? How much
I
you
sold
sold
it
for?
for Jose. I sold them for 50 on the market.
Okay. That's not bad. What was that, like 450?
About there, some of them were like 430, 420.
Okay.
Depending on like the size. Some of them were about 450.
Got the Legends. These got no insole?
Yeah, that's the only thing about those, no insoles.
Okay,
But they're 7.5. Cause I got them and the guy was supposed to ship me the insoles, but he never did. Everything has OGR except those, no insoles. The Royals, the person that sold me them couldn't find the blue laces for them.
Okay.
The OG Royals. Those got the laces.
What we looking at on these?
You want to break it down prices or just throw you like the whole price?
Yeah, just copy and paste the price into my text.
Okay. Also separated the DS and then the bulk stuff.
Okay, bet, let's do that. And then we'll just work through the text too.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, it's pretty much like the bottom price is like the total price for everything. Separated. For Warren and then for DS.
Okay, let's check this out. Tip Pine Green 240, Game Royal 350, Royal 350, Court 230, Green Glow 300, Echo 260, 13's 170, Cements 230, Space Jams 230, Legends 230. Retail on each. Aren't they going below retail?
Yeah.
Damn. Okay.
It's tough out here.
If you're just at retail, I'm gonna be at like payout, bro.
I'll hold
Payout
off
or like I'll pass on these because it's harder on those, bro.
Yeah, nah, I feel it, bro.
It's super hard on those.
Just take them off the list real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna resend you another list.
Okay.
With updated shit. So I'll take those out.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be more towards the used.
Yeah.
Unless you could
I'm not
like.
firm pretty much on anything.
Okay.
You know me.
But yeah, these for sure. I'm probably gonna take. Those are hard movers.
Work on them right now, but.
Okay. Yeah, those are harder movers for me.
I don't know why they're not that bad.
All right, so I'm gonna stoop down here because it's hot, and yeah, I'm not trying to be hot during this deal. All right, so you're at 200 for the LeBrons. Those are going for 152 right now. 9.5. You do 110. You wanna do that?
Probably lowest I'll do for like 130.
130.
Yeah.
I could do 115. You can do that. Yeah, that's just payout, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'll probably pass on those. It's not. Yeah, it's not worth it. Jordan 4 Lightning.
Yeah. I believe that one's a 9. Yeah.
I haven't seen them in person yet. Let me see what's up, because I got a few pairs coming.
Nothing too fast, bro.
Yeah.
I love that shit, bro.
Yeah, it's nice.
This shit is different, bro.
I saw these online, but the quality's pretty good too.
Yeah, bro, they're not that bad. They're doing pretty good on them. I feel like I see them taking off more in December.
Yeah.
Right now, you know, they just came out.
It's market right now.
I believe I'm on market. And some of them I just throw out pretty much either retail or close to retail.
Size 9, 275. You're at 280.
Yeah, I'm like 5.
What's the lowest you could do on these?
I think 250. And then that'd probably be worth payout. Maybe I'll buy it.
I could do 240. I got you with that.
You can do 250?
I'll buy more of the used shit though. I'm at 240, bro.
How about I'll keep it on. We'll write it down.
Okay, we'll write it down.
Right.
And then the Mono Ice.
I believe markets are like
They're at 265. You're at 280. What's the lowest you could do on these?
Or like
240.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
That's pretty much
Will you take 50 off? Will you take 50 off retail? Not retail. Will you take 50 off market?
What's market at?
265.
I have to do at least retail, which is 220.
Yeah, because I'm trying to make at least 50.
Yeah.
I'm looking at it like that now.
Yeah.
Would you do 230?
So as I was rewatching this clip, I just saw that I offered him 230 and he actually wanted 220. So I accidentally offered him $10 more than he wanted, but it's all good. He still gave me steals, so stay tuned to the end to see what I got.
230.
Yeah.
On the Mono Ice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. We'll just stick with that. Yeah, I'm not tripping. We'll take that. It's a good shoe. And then 230 on the Mono Ice. Debatable 240 on the 4s. Legend Blues. Those are gonna be hard to move. What's your lowest you're doing the
I
Legend?
think I'm 230.
Yeah. Is that the lowest? They're kind of cooked.
Yeah. What you out?
What you think? Is 230 your lowest?
I'll do 200.
200. Sheesh. I'll probably pass on those, bro.
What would you do?
I'll be at like 100.
I can't do that.
You wouldn't do that?
Probably the best I think I'll do would be like 150, bro, to be honest. They're not that good. They have no heel drag either.
Yeah, I'll probably pass on these, brother.
Alright, you do.
The Space Jam.
I think I was at 230.
He's kind of cooked too. What you think? What's the lowest you do on these? You said you're at 230, 200. So kind of like the same thing as these.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay. I could do like 120.
Hold on.
Hold on these. Okay. Bet. And I'll probably pass on the 13s. How much did you want for the each again?
260, I think.
260. Okay. All right. The cements. What size are the cements?
I believe 9.5.
These are not bad. They're size 9.
Oh, 9.
Okay. Let's see.
I think I'm at 230.
230. What's the best you could do on those?
200.
You 180?
Maybe at 190.
I got you 190.
190.
Yeah, we'll do 190 on these. These are OGL, right?
Yeah, OGL box. That's the OG box.
Okay. Yee Chill 260.
Those have OGR. They're not that one.
You said they're not OGO?
They're OGR.
Oh, they are OGO.
Yeah, not that one either.
That's dope. Okay. They're 8.5.
If you do 230,
I'll be at 200.
can you do a little bit higher?
I can't. 200 would be on highest on these.
How about that?
Yeah. Okay. 200 on the Yee Chill. These are
stock X purchased. I think these were UN. They're just dirty. Some of them are lazy.
for sure. You see these are good. My boy wanted a pair. Sheesh.
And they're clean.
So actually what I was doing right here at this moment was checking if these Yeezys were non-reflectives or reflectives. The seller told me that they were non-reflectives, but on the StockX paper it actually said that they were reflectives. So let's see what they are.
Are these reflective or non-reflective?
Non-reflective. Reflective would have been higher.
Would you get these ones at again?
But these are the same person. I think I bought those. They should be good. They should be
Let's see this real quick. These are non-reflective?
Yeah, no.
But on here it says reflective.
Unless the reflective ones. Let me see. I haven't even checked. Can I see that one?
Yeah.
Unless the shoe is reflective.
Let me see this.
You mind flashing the black light on it?
Yeah.
Or you flash on it?
Got you. We'll put these on the check.
Yeah, if you want, you can run them on right now.
Okay. I'll put these on the check.
Yeah, because the girl bought them. She said she had both of them. She had this one and the other one.
So, what's the best of doing this?
260.
It's not the OG box.
It's not so easy one.
No. Yeah, these are not the OG box. What's the best of doing these?
You do 220 on them.
220. We'll put these on the check these. 220. Size 7.5.
Yeah.
The lowest these green glows were going for were $400 no box, and he wanted $220, which was crazy.
You said what?
220.
Do 180.
Made that 200.
190.
You can't do that 200. No, your marker's really high. Man, it's a
They got no insole though.
That's the only issue.
And they got no box. Plastic box. Just check them real quick.
Yeah, it is the box. Same serial number and everything.
For the UPC?
Yeah. I think you're tripping. It's EG5293. Same thing, EG5293. You want me to double check?
No, it's out the dollar sign. 1227 154
Yeah, 1, 2.
45.
Can you repeat it? 1, 2. 7 9 6.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Feel
we're
me?
taking box.
Okay. But we could do the 190. I got you.
Do me my 195.
Yeah, I got you. 195. Core purple. How much?
230.
That's the lowest.
220, bro. They're like being deals.
Size 9. Would you do 210?
Nah, I couldn't, bro. 220 would be.
215?
We met at 220 and we got it. They're like clean, bro. You can check bottom, bro. They were worn like twice, if that.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do 220. Bro. do 20.
Good. These, I know for sure are good because most of these were bought from Ryan.
Bet. So these are a pass. Legends are a pass. These are a pass. Royal. Let the low show do.
Royal.
Let the low show do on the royal.
Yeah.
The insole kind of dirty.
I'll do 330.
330.
Yeah.
Size 9.5.
Yeah, they have. Most of these don't even have heel drag on them.
You said you got these from Ryan. Who's Ryan?
No, I didn't get them from Ryan, but I got them from one of Ryan's clients.
Who's Ryan?
Ryan from Vegas Group.
Okay. I don't know who that is.
Dark skin dude.
I don't know who that is.
Oh. Yeah.
What's the lowest you doing that one?
Which one? Royal?
Yeah.
I said 330.
330. That's the lowest.
What's your count?
Like 230. You'll pass on those.
Yeah.
Lowest one go to 285.
Yeah.
Okay. No worries. What's the lowest you do on the game royal?
Probably 330.
330.
Those got the laces and everything. Then you can check them. They ain't got no heel drag or nothing.
290.
I can't.
You wanna do 290?
Nah.
Sheesh.
Because a lot of these I didn't even end up posting. That's
Okay.
why. I think I only
What's the
posted
lowest? What's the lowest you do on these game roads again?
330.
Yeah, I'll probably pass on that.
Alright, but what's the highest?
You could probably get that. I'm at 290.
290. I mean, if you give me at 3, I'll run it. We're only 10 now.
I'm pretty firm at 290, bro.
Yeah, I'll probably just hold on.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, because if not, I'll just get trades and shit from.
Yeah, for sure. That's good. That's good. This is the lowest you do on these.
Fine. I got them at 240. I mean, they were one like twice.
You said 240.
Yeah. Because I know the cords would have gone fast too.
It's not a bad That's not a bad price.
That's not bad. And they're like worn twice, bro. OGR as well. Laces are in there.
You do 150?
Oh, nah, I can't.
What's the lowest?
Probably like 220, bro.
220.
Yeah, because like I said, some of these didn't even make it on the page. Just for that reason.
I know you could probably get that for the personal buyers. You know?
Yeah, for the personal people, that's what I was just like, if I don't sell them out here, I'll just sell them. Some of these didn't go up, like I said.
I do 180.
Yeah, I can't. But if you put them out,
Okay. 2? No?
nah.
Okay. That's cool.
Appreciate it.
I'll pass on that then. Let me just put these on the check. Let me put the yeezys on the check.
Yeah, you good. You run them up, bro. Run them up.
All right, for sure.
You know
We're gonna go legit check these.
Let me know
and
on the Kobe.
we're gonna come back. So we just bought all these right here for $12.85. We got the cords for $220, the green gloves for $195, the yeet shells for $200, white cements for $190, mono ice for $230, and the lightning force for $250.
Bro, they are reflective.
All for $12.85 zelle.
Look, they are reflective.
Let me see.
So the Yeezys did end up being the reflectives. So your boy came up $200 for the Yeet chills, and I guess we got lucky on this one.
See?
Yeah. I don't know.
Shit. Shit. Only like 20 bucks more, bro. So I
Hell no.
If they're reflective, I mean, it's
Alright, so $12.85?
Yeah.
Gotcha, my boy. Just paid my guy out. Make sure you got it, bro.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the message, bro.
Alright, just paid my brother. Appreciate you, my guy, as always. Again, we got the cements, the quartz, 3 pairs of Yeezys. Let me go get into these real quick. Got the mono ice, the green gloves, and last but not least, the yeet shells. And then we got these for $250. I like these shoes. Stay tuned for the full YouTube review, man. Yes, sir.